Hi lovely people, welcome or welcome back again to my channel. It's an honor to be here again with another amazing recipe. We are making indomie recipe. So let's check on the ingredients. So I have some cabbage, carrots, onions, bell peppers, some sardines, eggs, and of course with my 2 pack of indomie. So into a pot I'll go in with a considerable amount of water. Add some salt, then allow this to boil for some few minutes before going in with my indomie. So this is going to be on the fire for just a few minutes before taking it off from the fire. So I went ahead to also add my oil which comes with the indomie. So I'll just give this a gentle stir. Okay guys, so after some few minutes the indomie is ready. As you can see, I'll just go ahead and drain the water from it and then set it aside and we proceed. So now in a heated pan I'll go in with some oil. After some few minutes I also went in with some onion and garlic paste. So I'm going to stir this gently. So I just want to thank my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much for always coming back to watch my video. God bless you for your kind gesture. I do appreciate it a lot. So now I'll go in with my eggs and then stir this gently. Okay fam, so we have our egg nicely scrambled, and I just want to thank my new friends for also subscribing to my channel. If you are still with me up to this time, thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a like and also share this video. So now I'll go in with my carrot, my bell peppers, and I will stir this gently. Okay now, so I'll go in with my cabbage and also give it a quick stir. And you can also follow me and watch me on Facebook and also watch my short videos on Instagram and TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks. So I went in with some salt and went ahead to add some curry powder and also add the seasoning that comes with the indomie. And I also added some oyster sauce. This will elevate the taste of the noodles. So I will just stir everything together. Okay fam, so everything is well combined and I went ahead to add my sardines. So I'll just stir this until I add my cooked noodles to my vegetables. Alright fam, at this point I went in with my noodles and I also added some powdered pepper because I wanted it to be more spicy. So I will stir everything until it is well combined. So if you are still watching up to this time, thank you so much. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. Okay lovely, so our noodles is almost ready and the aroma smells so amazing guys. This recipe is a must try one. So we will just go ahead and then serve this in. Alright, lovelies, our indomie recipe is all done and ready to be enjoyed. This was so simple and quick to make with just some few ingredients. It was absolutely delicious and inviting as well. Guys, this recipe tasted so nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to share. Till then, see you in my next video. Bye.